Your body's atoms could be worth a 1 million-liter boiling pot. Every hour, your body produces enough energy to power a small city. If you converted just 10 of its chemical energy in an X-ray burst, it'd resemble a volcano eruption, 1.6 million liters of steam in seconds. And here's the kicker. Your cell's vibrations hum a unique melody, louder than a jet engine if audible. Nature's engineered something fiercer than technology, hiding it in your bones. Be honest, did you know your body can explode with energy? Comment below and follow for more body hacks.